Welcome to the epicenter of the electric revolution. This is where mobility meets intelligence. The smart motorcycle begins its life here, in the high-tech sanctuary of the battery room. Each lithium-ion cell is an energy capsule, tested for absolute voltage perfection. The cells are organized into a matrix, the foundation of the bike's massive range. Laser welding replaces traditional soldering, creating a bond that's as strong as it is efficient. Thermal management is key. High-tech paste ensures the core stays cool under heavy load. The battery management system, the BMS, is added, the guardian of the energy flow. Fiber optic sensors connect to every module, reporting back in real time. An aluminum vault is lowered, protecting the precious cargo from any impact. A silicone seal is applied with robotic precision, making the battery 100% waterproof. Bolted shut with thousands of pounds of torque, the power unit is now a structural fortress. Before moving on, every pack must pass a vacuum test to ensure a perfect seal. If the pressure holds, the battery is ready to power the future. A quick charge pulse awakens the chemistry for the very first time. A digital DNA code is etched onto the casing, making the battery fully traceable. Autonomous robots take over, delivering the power heart to the assembly line. This is energy storage reimagined, compact, safe, and incredibly powerful. Next, we enter the world of electromagnetics, the motor assembly line. The stator core is wound with kilometers of ultra-pure copper wire. This copper weave is the engine of the electric age, turning current into motion. Thermal expansion is used to fit the stator into its aluminum shell for a permanent bond. The rotor is balanced to the milligram, essential for a vibration-free ride. A zero-tolerance fit creates the magnetic flux needed for instant, massive torque. Ceramic bearings are pressed in, allowing the motor to spin at incredible speeds. High-voltage phase cables are attached, the arteries of the electrical drive. The motor is mated to a silent gearbox, multiplying the power for the road. Every gear is machined to a micron, ensuring the only sound is the wind. The inverter, the motor's translator, is mounted directly to the unit. Heat transfer plates allow the inverter to shed thermal load during aggressive riding. Every drive unit faces an EMI test to ensure it won't interfere with the bike's brain. Under full load, the motor remains whisper quiet, even at 10,000 revolutions per minute. Sophisticated electronics ensure the power delivery is smooth and predictable. Certified and stamped, this motor is ready to deliver 15 kilowatts of peak power. A row of silent giants, waiting to be integrated into the chassis. The main frame arrives, a high-strength steel skeleton built for agility. An electrostatic powder coat provides a finish that is as tough as it is beautiful. The marriage. The battery pack is lifted and bolted into the heart of the frame. In this design, the battery adds to the bike's rigidity, lowering the center of gravity. The motor unit is attached to the swing arm, minimizing unsprung weight. A carbon-reinforced belt is tensioned, a maintenance-free link to the rear wheel. The main processing unit is installed, the digital brain of the smart motorcycle. A single high-density harness connects the brain to every limb of the machine. Antennas for 5G and GPS are integrated, making this a truly connected vehicle. The TFT dashboard is snapped on, the window into the bike's soul. Software and hardware meet for the first time via the diagnostic port. The firmware flash begins, uploading millions of lines of sophisticated code. Systems online. The dashboard wakes up, signaling a successful birth. Calibration ensures the ride-by-wire throttle is crisp and instantaneous. Regenerative braking is tuned, allowing the motor to act as a generator when slowing. The smart LEDs perform their dance, a signature of modern EV design. The nervous system is fully synchronized, from the sensors to the cloud. The final transformation begins as the body panels are delivered. Aerodynamic shapes are snapped into place, hiding the complexity within. The branding is applied, a mark of high-tech mass production excellence. Ergonomics are finalized with the installation of the premium saddle. For the first time, the bike supports its own weight as it touches the floor. Nitrogen-filled tires ensure consistent pressure and maximum efficiency. The light tunnel reveals the perfection of the fit and finish. High-intensity sensors find what the human eye might miss. The dyno test, a full throttle run to confirm power, speed, and safety. Instant torque is the hallmark of the electric motor, a blur of silent speed. Connectivity check. The bike pairs with its owner's smartphone instantly. Smart security is activated, locking the bike's digital and physical gates. The final seal of approval. This marvel is ready for the open road.